Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to install the latest version of MySQL on Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video. Open your favorite browser. I am using Chrome here. So type here MySQL and click enter. So on the first, you will get the official website of the MySQL. And you click on that. From here, you have to click on downloads. Scroll down and click here MySQL community downloads. So from here, click on MySQL installer for Windows. So in this from this window, I will download the Windows 32-bit installer, MSI installer. Okay, so you have to click on this for 64-bit. So it will install the download. No, no thanks, just start download. So for the time saving purpose, I already download this one, so I'll just cancel this and I'll go to downloads. So from here, I will start the setup. Click on that, preparing to install. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer device? Click on yes. Click on yes. So from here we have to choose this which type of setup we want to install. So we have server only, client only, full and custom. So I will go with full because I need all of the applications and all of the features of MySQL. So click on next. So these all application will be installed when we click on execute. So it will install one by one and it will show the progress down below. One of them is installed and it's showing the tick installed. I'm pausing video here till it's complete. So all of the applications are installed. Now click on next. So it will show the users. So I'll go with 3366 because my default port is in use. So you can use the default if your port is not in use. So click on next. Yes, well, I will go with use strong encryption. Click on next. So this is the password and user will use to log in MySQL. So I'll go with root and the password is password. PASSWORD. So it's only uh for the sake of um, viewers. I use the root password as root. Sorry, this is password. Password PASSWORD and PASSWORD. So I set the password as password. Okay. So click on next, 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 execute. So, so it will go through all of these and check all of them one by one. Now click on finish. Next, click on finish. Next. So root and password. The username is root and the password is password. Click on next, execute, finish. Next, finish. So it is open up MySQL. Okay. So let's, and you can also see MySQL bench is open here. So let's first set up the path. Go to your C, sorry, C program files, MySQL, MySQL server, bin, copy this path, and from here search environment, oh, environment, and edit system environment variable. From here, click on path. Where is the path? Where is path? Path. Yes, here. And just add this to here and click on OK. OK. And OK. Let's open command prompt and type here MySQL. MySQL slash u root and slash p. Click enter. Enter your password. So our password is password. So you can see our MySQL is installed successfully. We also install all full package. So we also use the UI tool, MySQL bench. So you can we can also access from here our databases, and it's quite easy to manage from here. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, like the video.